Ninja Salamander SW145SD. So this is my other review on Ninja Salamander. So let's look at the bots. Here you have SSO2 Ninja Salamander SW145SD. Same logo. Battle Online. You have ages 8 and up. Ages 8 and up. You got the Beyblade on front. You got the symbol balance type. Bay Battle Tops with Synchro technology using Beyblade Stadium. The Bay Stadium only Hasbro on the front, back, the bottom, and back. Got all the parts here. Create the Synchro with 2 Warrior wheels. The Bay Stadium, WBVA official, D rights, and you also have the website available, limited time only, which is right here, and includes 1 warrior wheel. And here says you got all the, it includes the top launcher, summary to instructions, and the code. So I'll show you guys the Beyblade part. The Beyblade parts and the other stuff too. So it comes with the same ripcord launcher and the same ripcord. So here you have the ripcord and the ripcord launcher as well. Here you have the same instructions. So you have the code, the parts, how to assemble, to launch, switch and combine, and there's also which you can switch the spin track around. Here you have the assembly tool, which comes with the Beyblade. And last but not least is the code, which here it is. It was under the Bay Stadium. Here is the collector's card, the code. Right there. So now here are the Bay parts, which I'll show you guys. So it comes with, so here are the Bay parts. I'm just putting them right here now. So here's the Shogun face bolt. The warrior wheel. The element wheel. The spin track. And the performance tip. So now I'm going to assemble them, and I'm going to show you the different ways to combine your Beyblade. So here's the Beyblade assembled now. So warrior wheel on top, element wheel on the bottom, spin track, performance tip, and the Shogun face bolt. So now I'm going to show you how to switch the spin track. So you take the performance tip. And you take spin track. You take it up like so. You take that apart. So as you can see, they're apart, and you put them the other way around. So it's on this mode right now. So you have both modes. I think it's attack or defense. I forgot what mode. Are for this. I forgot both modes for this spin track. So I forgot. I'll find out what modes are for this spin track. So here's on this mode first. And I'll take the spin track, take the performance tip. I'll take the whole Beyblade apart first because it's kind of hard taking off the spin track. Ugh. I'll use the other assembly tool. Ugh. It's kind of hard taking off. Well, anyway. Ugh, it's so hard taking it off. Okay, I'll be right back. It's just, this is so hard taking it off, so I'll show you the other way around now. Some time to take the performance tip off, but here's the spin track on the other mode. So now I'm going to show you the other way around now. So, same thing, you take the whole thing apart, you don't take the performance tip off. So you put it on this side, you take your face bolt, twist it, make sure it's on good and tight, because I'm having problems with the synchro technology sometimes with the spin track. When I try to when the spin track is sometimes with this one with the spin track, I try to turn it, but when I try to take off the performance dip, it was kind of turning the spin track and the face bolt the other way around. So now I got it. So here's on the other side. So as you can see, element wheel on top, the warrior wheel on bottom. So as you can see, got the element and warrior wheel on the other side. So now I'm gonna show you the other way around with the combining both of Ifrit and Salamander. So here it is right now. So here is the synchrone, the combined two of the warrior wheels. So here's Ifrit on the bottom, as you can see, it's on the bottom, and Salamander on top. This one, the Ifrit, I used it like a bunch of times, and it's kind of dull. I'll do a tutorial on how to clean your metal wheels, but on top it's shiny, so as you can see, it's kind of shining in the light. This one's kind of shining a little bit, but here it's kind of shining a lot. So now I'm going to do a test launch, and then I'm going to do a test battle. I got my launcher set up, so first is a test launch, then I'm going to do a test battle against Samurai Ifrit. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So as you can see, it's on balance mode, so it's staying like in one place, as you can see. And now it's time to do a test battle. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So looks like Ninja Salamander wins the test battle. So that's it for today. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.